This is the Breville teapot. Now cleaning this pot, you want to make sure that you do not get this dirty. You want to make sure that you keep that base nice and clean. Again, do not get it dirty. And here I am just putting water in. I try not to fill any past the maximum amount, but you can put water in and we're going to clean it. All right, now that it's clean, feature. This is the lid. We're going to go ahead and make sure this is clean as well. So next we plug in the outlet right here. We're going to plug it in and you can see my presets are already loaded up on here. You can kind of do it any way you want. I like to put it on, we're going to make an herbal tea and I like to keep it on mild. You can go up medium, you can go up to strong. We'll keep it on mild for this demonstration. So here we go. We're going to put some water in. And keep an eye on the maximum amount. We're going to put it up to 5 cups. That's about 5 cups. Via the instructions, we hit our water limit. Perfect. Now let's fill up the tea. So our spoon broke. 1 teaspoon is the same measurement. This will work and do the job perfectly. You want to make sure that the tea holder itself is clean. So we just went ahead and cleaned it. Now everything can get wet except the base of the tea model. I'm going to show that to you again. Remember, this part cannot get wet. Do not wet that base of the tea model at all costs. Okay, I poured 5 scoops of loose leaf tea in, no more than that. Again, 5 cups, 5 scoops. You don't need any more than that. It will do its job and do the perfect balance. Next, we hook on the lid, snap it in. Go ahead and attach the magnet. It's on. Next, the lid goes on. Make sure it snaps on. There it is. And now we put it on the base. The base is going to light up because it's plugged in. So let's put it right on the base. And it's all set up. Let's hit tea. Now we wait. While we wait, you're going to go ahead and see the tea heating up. Right now it's collecting the temperature. It's kind of gauging. It feels like it's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's give it a little bit more time and it's going to heat up pretty quickly. It is starting to heat up. You're going to hear that noise. That is the noise of it heating up. That is very normal. It's going to be pretty whisper quiet when it's making the tea, but as it's heating up, it's going to go ahead and make that sound. As you know, teapots do make some noise, so this is to be expected. You can see it just rose in temperature, so we'll give it a couple minutes and then it will start doing what it does. All right, we are just about there. We're seeing the water boil. We're going to wait for it to hit 212. So let's see if we can hang on. There it is. And now the pot is going to drop. Give it a second. I know it's kind of hard to see through all the bubbles. And right away, the basket is now making its way down. It's doing its blink. So we're giving it another second. And you can see it's whisper quiet at this point. And it is going down. Let's take a look at it from this angle. Now at this point, you don't want to take the teapot off. You don't want to cancel quite yet. You can, but let it go all the way down. Usually that's the smartest move. And once it's down, the timer is going to go ahead and start going. We'll give the basket another second or two. And it looks like the timer is going, so we'll be back in 3 minutes. All right, so we've reached the end of the time. Now the teapot's coming up. Once it's all the way up, it will beep and alert us that the tea's ready. And does 4 beeps and it's going to keep it warm for us. It'll keep it warm for an hour. We can actually lift the teapot off and you see the timer to keep it warm for an hour. You can pour the tea and it's all set. And that will do it. Again, this is the Breville tea maker.